Hello sir, good day. I am Arson Cianino from BSMT1 Dubai. And today, I will discuss about the effect of free surface effect and cargo liquefaction on a ship stability. Ship stability is a critical aspect of maritime safety, directly influencing a vessel's ability to remain upright and recover from external forces such as wind, waves, and cargo ships. Two phenomena that significantly impact ship stability are the free surface effect and cargo liquefaction. Both of these effects can reduce a ship's stability, making it more prone to tilting or even capsizing. This explanation aims to help you understand how these factors work under critical importance in maintaining safe ship operations. First, the free surface effect. So what is the free surface effect? The free surface effect occurs when a ship carries liquids such as ballast water, fuel, or other liquid cargo in partially filled tanks. When a ship tilts or lists, the liquid inside the tank moves and shifts its center of gravity. This shifting reduces the stability of the ship, as the liquid behaves like a free surface, which means it does not provide a stable force to return the ship to an upright position. How does the free surface impact stability? When a ship lists due to external forces like wind, waves, or cargo movement, the liquid in partially filled tanks will shift to one side. As the liquid moves, it changes the center of buoyancy, which in turn affects the righting arm and metacentric height. The righting arm, the distance between the center of gravity and the center of buoyancy. A longer righting arm helps the ship return to an upright position. Metacentric height, the vertical distance between the center of gravity and the metacenter. A positive GM ensures stability, but when the free surface effect is at play, the GM is reduced. The result is that the ship becomes more unstable because the shifting liquid doesn't create a restoring force to return the ship to upright. Example. So, as I imagining a ship carrying ballast water in a tank. If the ship lists due to rough seas, the water in the ballast tank shifts to the side, making the vessel tilt even further. This effect is especially dangerous when the tanks are partially filled, as the liquid moves freely and reduces the ship's righting capability. Next is the cargo liquefaction. What is cargo liquefaction? Cargo liquefaction occurs when the certain bulk solid cargoes like iron, ore, or grains contain excess moisture. When these cargoes are subjected to movement such as ship motion in rough seas, the moisture can cause the cargo to behave like a liquid, effectively creating a free surface within the hold. This behavior is known as cargo liquefaction. So how does the cargo liquefaction impact stability? When a cargo undergoes liquefaction, it transitions from a solid to a semi-liquid state. This semi-liquid behavior acts like the free surface effect, causing the cargo to shift unpredictably with the hold. The shifting cargo redistributes the ship's weight, altering the center of gravity and the center of buoyancy. This redistribution of the mass can cause the ship to list or even lead the capsizing in severe cases. The free-moving cargo reduces the ship's overall stability as the liquid-like movement has the potential to shift rapidly, especially in rough seas. Example, a ship is transporting iron ore that contains excess moisture. During the voyage, the motion of the ship causes the moist cargo to liquefy. The cargo that behaves like a fluid, shifting unpredictably with the hold and altering the ship's stability. This could lead to dangerous heeling, making the ship unstable, especially if the cargo shifts to one side. The third is the combined effect of free surface and liquefaction stability. When both free surface effect and cargo liquefaction occur simultaneously, the impact on ship stability can be devastating. The ship's metacentric height, GM, is drastically reduced or even negated, making it difficult or impossible for the vessel to recover from a tilt. The righting arm becomes insufficient and the ship may continue to list until it capsizes. Excessive shifting of liquid cargo or liquefied bulk cargo can lead to catastrophic loss of stability, increasing the risk of capsizing in rough seas or during maneuvers. Example, a vessel carrying bulk cargo, such as iron ore or with moisture content, may experience cargo liquefaction while also having partially filled ballast tanks as the ship tilts due to external forces. Both the ballast water and the liquefied cargo will shift. This not only reduces the ship's righting ability but also causes the ship to list more severely, creating dangerous conditions that could lead to capsizing. Fourth one is the importance of maintaining positive stability. Maintaining positive stability is essential for safe ship operations. Positive stability ensures that when the ship is tilted, the forces at work, such as the buoyant force and the righting arm, will help it return to its upright position. This is especially critical when ships encounter rough seas, strong winds, or during cargo loading and unloading. Why positive stability crucial? Prevents capsizing. Positive stability ensures the ship can recover from heeling or tilting, thus reducing the risk of capsizing, safeguards crew and cargo. A stable vessel protects not only the crew but also the cargo by preventing damage and loss. Minimizes environmental risk. A ship that maintains positive stability reduces the chances of an environmental disaster in case of a hull breach or cargo spillage. Measures to maintain positive stability. How to ensure proper loading of cargo, especially for bulk solid cargo that could liquefy under certain conditions. Monitor ballast levels is to prevent free surface effect by ensuring tanks are adequately filled or emptied. Use cargo hold moisture control. For sensitive cargoes to avoid liquefaction, regularly check the stability criteria, GM and righting arms to ensure the vessel is always within safe limits. The conclusion: the free surface effect and cargo liquefaction significantly reduce a ship's stability by causing shifting weight and unpredictable movements. This can lead to dangerous tilting or even capsizing in extreme cases. Understanding these effects and ensuring proper ship loading, ballasting, and cargo handling is essential for maintaining positive stability, which is crucial for safe ship operations. By managing these risks, ship operators can ensure that their vessels remain stable and secure throughout their voyage, minimizing the risk to crew, cargo, and the environment. And that's the end of my discussion. Thank you and have a good day.